started my journey from Mumbai and reached Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. Check-in and security check होने के बाद चलो आगे चलें.
At Mumbai Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminal 2, security check done, check-in baggage, everything done. So just moving towards my gate.
Land करके took a cab and now moving towards my favorite place, Isha Yoga Center. ईशा योगा सेंटर अभी दूर है, लेकिन महाशिवरात्रि सेलिब्रेशन इतना ग्रैंड होता है कि पार्किंग के बोर्ड्स यहाँ से ही लग चुके हैं और ढेर सारे अलग अलग पार्किंग स्पेसेस आसपास हर जगह बने हुए हैं. फाइनली रीच्ड द आश्रम, लेकिन हमें वेलकम पॉइंट की तरफ से जाना है. सो लेट्स गो.
At the Isha Yoga Center right now. It's 5th of March and 8th of March is Mahashivaratri. So I'm here, Spanda Hall. Wow, what a vibe. Just look around.
So this is the Spanda Hall, one of the most artistic places in the ashram. स्पंदा हॉल के अंदर जो पेंटिंग्स हैं उसकी एक अलग सीरीज आप ईशा फाउंडेशन के चैनल पर देख सकते हैं. यहाँ देखिए, फ्लोर के डिजाइन्स में भी आपको एनर्जीज फील होंगी.
What a beautiful vibe here. I did my sadhana over here. Wow, I did my meditation, my sadhana over here today.
And after my sadhana, I'm going to see the majestic Adi Yogi statue now. आदि योगी, द फर्स्ट योगी जिन्होंने अराउंड 15,000 साल पहले सप्तऋषिज को योगिक साइंस ट्रांसमिट किया. उन्होंने 112 वेज बताए जिससे एक इंसान अपना हाईएस्ट ह्यूमन पोटेंशियल रीच कर सकता है. दैट्स व्हाई ही इज 112 फीट टॉल.
The morning started at 3:30 or 4 a.m. and from that time we are doing all our stuff, all our sadhana and everything. Now I'm going towards Adi Yogi statue. Mahashivaratri preparations are on full roll, so it's going on there. काल काल मंगभुजाक्षमक्षशूलमक्षरं काशिकापुराधिनाथ काल भैरवं भजे. New Kal Bhairav temple in making. Just look at this. Wow.
This is the place for Maha Annadanam.
Going round and round, everywhere you see there is Adi Yogi. Wow. Velangiri foothills. You know, I'm into Himalayas and Ladakh and mountains, like those kind of mountains, but still this feels, you know, divine. Just had my food, very nice, you know, yummy, tasty, घर का खाना.
112 फीट के आदि योगी के आइकॉनिक स्टैचू को 2017 में महाशिवरात्रि के दिन हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर द्वारा अनवेल किया गया था. यहीं पर योगेश्वर लिंग है, विच वॉज कॉन्सिक्रेटेड बाय सदगुरु हिमसेल्फ, जो कि हमारे बॉडी के 5 मेजर चक्र के स्वरूप हैं, और यहीं पर ग्रैंड नाइट ऑफ महाशिवरात्रि सेलिब्रेट की जाती है.
Preparations on full on swing. You know, I'm not able to express things when I'm here. I don't know what to say. It's just a feeling. अभी से ही vibe ऐसी है and practices चल रहे हैं. It's like a fully different thing. So today went for the Dhyanalinga Darshan, Devi Darshan. For the Dhyanalinga Darshan, for the guys, you have to take a dip into the Surya Kund, and for the girls, you have to take a dip into the Chandra Kund, and directly you can go for the Dhyanalinga Darshan. you guys know that Sadhguru has, given his life force energies, everything into the Dhyan Ling. So there you do not have to do anything, you do not have to meditate or anything, you just have to sit. Just close your eyes, and any person who doesn't even know how to meditate, who doesn't know about it, can feel the vibrations and can go into that meditative state. And then Linga Bhairavi Aarti was going on, so attended that also. Sadhana is going on, so many things are going on, and I'm so happy, And I'm again, it is Sham now, and again I'm going to the Adiyogi. Feels so good, so nice. Just want to live here, kind of. Feel like living here, not leaving this place.
महाशिवरात्रि करीब है, तो अभी शाम में सैकड़ों शिवांग साधक तमिलनाडु, आंध्र प्रदेश और कर्नाटक से 630 किलोमीटर से भी अधिक की पद यात्रा करते हुए आदि योगी रथम के साथ यहाँ ईशा योगा सेंटर पहुँच गए. Dr. Madhuranand over here is coming from Kashi on foot and has finally reached the ashram. A lot of high vibe and energy all over the place. You can see how detailed is the Mahashivratri celebration at the Isha Yoga Center. Watched the Adi Yogi Divya Darshanam, and after that, the rehearsals. Passing through the beautiful rich nursery on the left, going back to have some sound sleep now. Good morning everyone, and welcome to the day before Mahashivratri.
Finally, the day is tomorrow. Everything is like just on the brink. Preparations, so much of excitement, so many things. Energy is getting hyped up like more and more. Bas a few hours to go, and jaise the time is approaching, it's like cannot express, because you are made up of energies and all, and the energies and vibrations are totally different here, and it affects you in certain way. There is a some other kind of peace, some other kind of calm. Majestic Adi Yogi statue itself is like, when you see it, people go here, there. अरे वो जगह देखी सामने से, ये वाली जगह जब आई ना तो लगा wow, that is the most beautiful thing. People say about certain places, but when you come here and you just look at the statue, oh God, like, it's not because I'm a devotee of Shiva, that's why I feel this. It's not because of that. It is something else. A non-believer can also come here and feel that vibration. Tomorrow is Mahashivratri. People from all over the world have assembled here. People are doing different kinds of sadhanas here. There is a whole pradakshina going on. So many foreigners are here to do that pradakshina in this heat. upper bodies, bare body, and it's like 1.5 kilometers long, and everybody's doing chanting. Never before things, happen here. Never before experiences happen here. You see Adiyogi statue. I just reached here, and I'll just move to the front now.
As you can see, everything is set now and devotees have started to get into the groove of Mahashivratri.
Everything is blocked. Everything is locked.
With such vibrant energies all around and Sadhguru's presence, we are all charged up and ready for the big night of Mahashivratri. See you in my next vlog.